To add the Metamask extension in iPhone, start by opening the App Store and searching for Metamask. Download and install the Metamask app. Then open it and create a new wallet or import an existing one. After setting up your wallet, go to the Safari browser and tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and tap More. Then toggle on Metamask and tap Done. This will add the Metamask extension to Safari, allowing you to interact with decentralized applications and manage your cryptocurrency. To use the extension, navigate to a website that supports Metamask and tap the More icon again. Then select Metamask to connect your wallet. Make sure to follow best practices for securing your wallet, such as enabling Face or Touch ID and keeping your seed phrase safe. By following these steps, you can easily add the Metamask extension to your iPhone and start exploring the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency.